I'm going to demonstrate how to join two pieces together like legs. I've made two short identical pieces and I'm going to crochet around this one, chain, and then crochet around this one, work back along the chain, crochet around the first one, back to where I started, slip stitch, and chain one. So we'll start off with 3 single crochets as normal. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to chain. I'm going to chain 3. This creates the space between the two legs. Then I'm going to work into the other leg. I'm going to start 3 stitches before the end of the last row on the second leg. I'm going to single crochet 3, and then I'm going to be really careful because I've come upon the slip stitch chain 1 join, and the slip stitch is a lying liar. We don't crochet into that. So I'm going to insert my hook into the next available stitch, skipping the slip stitch chain 1 join, and I'm going to continue single crocheting around. There were a total of 12 stitches on this row. So far I've made 4. I have 8 more to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now I'm back to the chain that I had made between the two legs. So I'm going to work into the chain, inserting my hook into the top of the chain, catching 1 loop, and completing a single crochet into that chain. Then I'm going to single crochet into the next available chain and the last available chain. That's 1 single crochet per chain. Now I'm going to work into the next available stitch on that first leg that we were working into. So not this stitch, that's where the last single crochet worked into the leg was worked. I'm going to work into this stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. I should have 9 stitches to work into. So I have 3 more, 7, 8, 9. Because I started with 3, there were 12 available. I worked 9 around this, and now I'm going to slip stitch and chain 1, and that's 2 separate legs connected through crochet with the chain in the middle. Now for the following row, we're going to work 3 single crochets into the first 3. Then we're going to work on this chain side of those chain stitches, and we're going to work 3 single crochet stitches, 1 into each of those chains. Then we'll work 12 stitches around. We'll work 3 single crochet stitches into each of the single crochets worked into the chains in the previous row, and then 9 more stitches around this leg. So I'm going to demonstrate at least those first stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then working into the chain side of those chain stitches between the legs, we're going to make 1, 2, 3 stitches. Those are between the legs. Then working into the next available stitch that was worked into the leg, we're going to single crochet 12 around this leg. Now we're back to the single crochets that were worked into the chain stitches between the legs. We're going to single crochet 3 across those, and then 9 more. A row like this might just be written as single crochet 30 because you're doing 12 into each leg, which is 24 total, and 6 around those chains in the middle between the two legs. There is nowhere else for you to put these stitches. That's how it looks. I hope that helps.